Introduction to Syncing Personal Capital with Excel.
Looking to create custom financial reports and analysis? Syncing your personal capital data into Microsoft Excel is a great way to get more control over your finances. This guide walks you through the steps to export your data from personal capital and import it directly into Excel, making budgeting and financial management easier.
Exporting data from personal capital.
Start by logging into your personal capital account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transactions or Holdings section, depending on what information you'd like to export. Look for the Export option, usually represented by a button labeled Export or a small download icon. Click this to download your financial data in a CSV file format.
Opening the CSV file in Excel.
After downloading the CSV file, locate it on your computer. Open Microsoft Excel and use the File menu to select Open. Browse to the location where you saved your personal capital CSV file. Select the file and open it in Excel. Your financial data will now appear in spreadsheet format, ready for analysis.
Customizing and analyzing your data.
Now you can customize your data in Excel. Use Excel's features to sort, filter, or categorize transactions. You might create pivot tables to summarize spending by category, build custom charts to visualize trends, or apply formulas to calculate monthly averages. This flexibility allows you to tailor financial reports to your exact needs.
Maintaining up-to-date data.
To keep your Excel reports current, repeat the export process as needed. Download the latest CSV from Personal Capital whenever you want an updated look at your finances. You can either append new data to your existing Excel workbook or replace old data to keep your records tidy and relevant.
Conclusion and tips.
Syncing personal capital with Excel gives you greater insight into your finances. Remember to review your exported data regularly and explore Excel's powerful analysis tools. By combining personal capital's tracking with Excel's customization, you can make more informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals faster.